Gotta get some coffee here first. Try some coffee. Want some coffee? Gotta have coffee all the time. Even has my name on it. Alright, well, if you're here, that means you completed my part 1 of my astrophotography course, which was basics and photographing the Milky Way and post-processing. This one is going to get a little more advanced, where I will be telling you how to actually merge 2 entirely different photos, 2 entirely different compositions together to make one image. It's a little more involved, quite a bit more involved, really, and what I've shown in the past. So if you haven't had a chance to practice what I had you do in a previous course, I would recommend that you would before you try this course. But if you're ready, this is it. This is part 2, and this won't be as long. I'll make sure it's only one little subject matter. It won't be as long. So no 3-hour thing. Alright. So in this course, I will show you on the techniques. I'll go from Lightroom to the steps in Photoshop that will be needed to take these 2 images and turn it into this. So y'all keep coming back now. You hear?